Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne here with yet another unboxing. Today, we have another Amazon Prime box. This, I'm assuming, shipped from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. I'm not sponsored by Amazon, but I would absolutely love to be, or any of the products that are in this video, but I would love to be. I'm just a guy who likes to save a little bit of money here and there. So, yeah, if you do want to help sponsor my videos, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne, slide up in my DMs, or go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. That's riptapparel.com, onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice, and then you'll save a couple bucks if you use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code. So first up, we got some Jack's Links beef jerky. This is teriyaki. Yeah, I love Jack's Links. Come on, sponsor me. It really is delicious. I've got some, I try and drink and chew and eat the lowest sugar, lowest carb thing I can get. That includes jerky, also sugar-free gum. Airheads has a new gum, or new to me, called Airheads gum, appropriately enough, with micro candies. These are all sugar-free. I do the subscribe and save for jerky, subscribe and save for sugar-free gum. If you have a recommendation for a better gum, let me know. Or what's your favorite Airhead sugar-free gum? And last but not least in this video is an Atkins protein-rich shake, milk chocolate delight. So far, this is the only one that's on the subscribe and save. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm going to do taste test and review of it very, 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 very soon. I'd love to know what you guys think. Yeah, so sorry I had to take a part 2. This ended early, but I've done taste testing reviews of several different protein shakes, including Premier Protein and also Equate and, of course, Quest. So I've done almost all of the different flavors except for coffee. So far, that's the only one I haven't done. If you want me to do a review of that, let me know in the comments below. Check out some of these products and let me know what you think. If you have a recommendation, and I'll be more than happy to check it out. Hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel if you can. Have a great one.